Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset Windows 10. Why would you want to reset Windows 10? Maybe you're having problems giving your computer to someone else, or you just want your computer to feel like new. Before we start, ensure you have a backup of your files just in case everything doesn't go to plan. I will show you two methods of resetting your computer, one which keeps your files and one which removes all your files. The first thing we want to do is open the Start menu and navigate to our settings. Then go to Update and Security, then down to Recovery. After in Recovery, you'll see an option called Reset This PC, and click Get Started. Then here's the two options. Right now I'll do Keep My Files, I'll show you remove everything later. I would recommend a cloud download if you're resetting your PC because of issues, because that could be more likely to fix your issue. But right now I'm just going to do the local reinstall. And next. And right here it tells you what resetting will do. Change the settings back to default to keep those files. Reinstall Windows from this device, remove apps or programs. It tells you what apps will be removed if you click right there, and this will take a while, of course. And here we go. And here we are after the computer has reset. As you can see, it has removed our apps, but we still got all our files. So all you need to do now is reinstall your apps. Now I'm going to reinstall Windows by removing all files. Removing everything is resetting your device to factory defaults. Navigate to the Start menu, then to Settings, then to Update and Security, then Recovery, then go down to Reset This PC, Get Started, and click Remove Everything. Then I'm doing local install. As I said before, do a cloud download if you're resetting your PC because of issues, and it will remove apps and files and reinstall Windows. And here it tells you what it's going to do. So it's just saying it's deleting everything off this device. And here it goes. After that's finished, you see this screen, your device says being reset to factory defaults. Now you just have to complete setup of Windows 10. If you are unsure of anything, or if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like or consider subscribing.